Hiya. Do you like danger and Pokemon and needles? We've got all that. Needle felting coming up. Let's clear off some space, gather our materials. Today we're going to need red, blue, white, and a little bit of black at the end for our Pokéball. Here's what I mean by danger. I'll show you. Hold on. These needles are special because they have little hooks on them that when you stab into the wool, it kind of pushes it towards the center and makes it into a solid object rather than just a bunch of fluff. I start off by just clumping a piece together and hoping for the best. I'm sure there's a better way to do this, but I just kind of stab it against this foam block. Getting a little more aggressive with it now that it's taking shape. I think my stab count at this point is 2. Coming up's a trick that I've seen but never tried. Burn it and give up. What's the point? Why are we here? Actually, it just gets rid of the fuzzy parts. I'm testing this out pretty early, so if I mess up, I can fix it. Or if my house burns down, I can edit that out. Make or break time to make sure it's not wobbly. I guess I could still fix mistakes at this point by covering it up with the black middle part. I think this whole project took about 45 minutes. For those keeping track, I've now stabbed myself 3 times. Little rusty at this. And also the TV was on. Right now it has the consistency of a slightly soft cheese or a luxury pom-pom. Here's a brighter white to fill out the bottom. Always good to cover up your mistakes too, rather than admit to them. Watch the candle here. And pop. I took a break. Back to it with probably the most satisfying parts, these fine details. All the way around and then to the clump in the front. Looks really satisfying and fast forward. I know they don't always have this blue part on the front, but I think it makes it stand out. And my reference card down there has it. Plus I was lucky enough to have the right shade of blue, so why not? One final toast, wipe the crud off, and we're done. What do you think? Did you have fun? Are you gonna make one? Have you subscribed yet? Why not? That's okay, I understand. I'll see you next week.